this is what lights my spirit up. I'm like, wow, even in my darkest moments, even in those moments when I lose lose myself, and I show up in a way that I'm not proud of, or I say something that, that doesn't feel aligned to the truth of who I am. Well, the great news is I know that all of that is not really me, because beyond all of that behavior, that thinking, is love. And it never leaves us. And it never can leave us. It is always with us and within us. So how do we access this state? And, some of you may have heard me sharing this question before, but one of the things I ask, and I try and remember to ask this as often as possible, is that in any moment where I feel like I'm not coming from that deeper state of, the truth of my nature and who I really am, and it may be when I'm being triggered in my relationship, or it may be when I'm losing my patience because I'm distracted by the multitude of information that comes our way each day, I ask the question, what would love do right now? What would love do right now? Or what would love do in this moment? Now, when you ask that question, what would love do right now? You access a deeper state of wisdom. You suddenly realize that love would not be shouting. Love would not be frustrated. Love would not be arguing. Love would not be defending. Love would not be experiencing separateness. Because love knows no boundaries. It is infinite in its nature. Love would be compassionate. Love would be understanding. Love would be connection. Love would be patient. Now, it's a powerful shift of awareness when you ask the question, what would love do right now? And quite often, and mostly when it's in a relationship situation where there's an argument, or you're defending one another's position. We're crazy human beings, right? We're defending and we're going into that world of right and wrong. And you ask, what would love do right now? Quite often love would say, just take a step back. Be silent. Take a breath. Go a walk. Remove yourself from this experience. And come back when you've had time to reflect and reconnect to the truth of who you are, the essence of your being.